Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to unlock the Piggy bank in Crossy, one of the fun secret character like that adds a unique twist to the game. The Piggy bank isn't available from the prize machine. To unlock it, you need to collect coin during your runs. So while playing your runs, you need to collect the coin to get the Piggy bank. Then the more coin you collect in a single run, the closer you get unlocking the Piggy bank. The more you collect the piggy bank, more you collect the coin, more you unlock the piggy bank. Chance of unlocking the piggy bank. Like this, you can lay or collect the coin. After that, sometimes the piggy bank will appear as a random spawn in the river or on the road. Tap it or run near it while playing and it will unlock at the end of your run. Also keep in the mind the piggy bank is part of the secret character collection, so it may require multiple attempts and constant gameplay before it finally appears. Or you can, I think at the store there is the piggy bank. You can unlock it for 3.12 credit card money. You can unlock from here also. And that's it. Keep collecting coin and watch out for piggy bank during your runs, and soon it will be added to your collection. If this helps, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.